Mr. Kent is 65 and his wife is 61. Mr. Kent is small and thin and his wife is big and tall. She is not a happy person. She always criticizes everybody and everything, and she criticizes her husband more than anyone else. She always says to her neighbours, "He never does anything right." Last month, she said to her husband, "Look at your shirt. There are 2 holes in the collar. I'm going to buy you some new shirts." She went to the shops that afternoon and bought him 3 new shirts. The next morning, Mr. Kent put one of them on and went down to the kitchen. Mrs. Kent looked at him and then shouted angrily, "And what's wrong with the other 2 shirts? Don't you like them?"